Alright, today we have to go for the Wildland firefighting. Me and the firefighter game crew to help the dangerous wildfire. It's under control because we're gonna find out for the weather report because of any fires are spreading to cost into the forest. It's called a precision caution. We gotta find out the dispatch said we got fire in the mountain. I guess we're gonna take my gear to the firefighting aircraft maybe. We're gonna find out as the port is busy for water drop, and then we have to get aboard in the smoke jumper plane. Snow box alarm, we're gonna find out and make sure to subscribe. Okay, we heard about that sort of wildfire in the forest, and let's get this under control. We're gonna wait for the box alarm, and my radio is checked. I think we're gonna get this wildfire under control. Come and be a air support. We have to come and be a air operation, or which I want to come and be air operation. And let's go find out. Put out the wildfire, and let's go. Grab my smoke jumper. Okay. Grab a thermal heat camera. Okay, let's go grab my gear. Okay. I'm gonna take. Alright, I'm gonna take this. Okay. Check. Okay, all checked. Okay, no heat, no fire, no burning. Okay. I'm gonna wait for the dispatch to arrive. Guess we're gonna choose my truck just in case. I just almost started recording because we have to wait for the dispatch to find out. There's no fire. Okay. I think sun is sun is started to come up. Maybe sun is gonna started to come up. Maybe I don't know. Because I don't know the wildfires is gonna be spreading. Okay. 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 It's no wildfire. We're gonna get started. Prevent the wildfire from spreading. I'm a assistant firefighter game. Just checking around any wildfires needed. We got a call coming in, guys. Right, according to this, we got a major wildfire. It's too far away. We can't get the fire truck to get up there. Let's get aboard to the plane and let's go. Alright, according to the pilot said, it's gonna take any hours of what's going on. Okay. I think the fire is spreading. Oh no, it's not good. Guys, we're gonna have to take these. Because cancel the fire, let the fire companies handle it. We got a large code 6. It kind of depends on which one the fire spreading. This is turned into box alarm. Okay. All units is respond to code 6. And it depends on how to put out the fire, prevent the spreading. Okay, I can see the wildfire. Okay, let's jump over here. Because maybe not, because we have to use a teleport to come back. Which one to vent? Whoa, the wind is spreading. Keep it. Okay. Hey! I can see the wildfire over here. Let's get this under control. Guys, thank you so much for coming. Get this fire under control. I need you by your hoses ASAP. It's not responding. The radio is turned off. Off the microphone. Let the city fire department handle it. You have to get back to the teleport and let's get a smoke jumper play. Let the Wildland firefighter handle it. Let the city fire department handle it. Let's go to the teleport and let's go. Let's go to the teleport, okay? Because it depends on how much a fire for spreading. We don't need bulldozer crew. We don't have a dozer crew. Let's go to smoke jumper. Depends on how much a fire is spreading. Let's go right now. Alright, we got it. Alright, I can't find a dispatch. I think the fire is spreading to the kinds of forest. Let the firefighter handle the smoke, and we got a car coming in. This wildfire turned into the box alarm. What is going on to the city? Okay, let's go to the smoke jumper once. Let's get to the car coming in ASAP. I'm gonna take a box alarm car. Okay, I'm gonna take. Okay. Checking my channel. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm Aiken. Huh. I'm alive, guys. Huh. The wind is spreading to me. Why? Okay, did not talk about the wind is spreading. I talk about the wildfire. Why? Why? Okay. Okay. According for the fire department is already down here. Which ones it depends how much a fire is spreading, and let's help in the fire company to check. Alright, let's get a little bit close. I heard the fire trucks is here. Okay, incident over. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I put out a fire. Wow. Wow. Run done. Run done. Phew. I'm glad I got not making. I'm not making, guys. I'm not making. The Wi-Fi is spreading because I don't know what's going on about the which one kind of depends how to put out a wildfire. Okay. All the firehouse is gonna go back to the station, or the fire companies have to go back to the firehouse too. A lot of firehouse companies so much respond to the wildfire. That is crazy. Okay, let's get my gear ready. I just worry about the wildfire is gonna spread in my gear. Okay, okay. Okay, gonna use smoke. I'm gonna choose this one. I love being the forest rangers. Let's see. Firefighting gear? Okay. Let me check the wildfire spreading. Let's sort out for the incident. Let's see. It's gonna be firefighter group. It's gonna be firefighter group. Like, see, firefighter group. Okay. Which one is depends on how much a fire is spreading. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, okay. Why is that a fire car? I just get confused. Okay. Okay. What's a wildfire? Oh, come on. I don't want to go to end of my video, everyone. You know what? Because of the fires are spread into the forest. Because I can't make the fire trucks go up there. That is crazy. Okay, you know what? My team is right. Make sure to subscribe to help me out, okay? Only for Wildland, only for smokejumpers, anything. We got a firefighters up there because... Okay. Do you have a rank? Well, let me see. I am the crew boss. Guys, I am the crew boss. Actually, I'm the squad boss, actually. The squad boss is the backup team to help together. I cannot wait to help put out a wildfire. I cannot wait. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, hope the Wildland firefighting is going great. Is any radios off? Yeah. The radio's gonna be off, any kinds of what's going on. I'm gonna go to the plane. I don't want to stay in the dark in the firehouse. I heard the smoke is really bad. Okay. Wildfire. Wow, oh my god. Guys, I can see the wildfire on the below. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that a wildfire? Oh my god. Oh, you. I just controlled it to put out a fire. Good job, guys. Actually, guys, the fire is under control because so it's almost great. We have to depend on how much put out the fire. We got an aircraft. Whoa! Don't want to put in the risk in it. So we are the smoke jumpers. Make sure to subscribe to helping out. You're not mixed up, guys. I know the Dozer crew, okay? I just get a little bit mixed up. Make sure to subscribe. Whoa! Wait, okay. Where's the wildfire? Okay, it's no wildfire. It's under control. Let's go back to the. Okay, let's go back to the. Okay, let's go back to the airport. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. For keeping an eye out for the wildfire. Thanks to the smoke jumper plane. Thank you so much for watching so much, everyone. Okay, I'm gonna be here. See you tomorrow.